Welcome to this episode. In this episode, we are talking about habits. And if you don't know anything about habits, then don't worry. I got you, man. What you need to do, you need to just stay tuned to the video, watch the video, and I assure you that after watching the video, you will get to know what are habits and how habits are developed in the lens of neuroscience and biology. I know you like biology. So guys, remember to subscribe to this account as we proceed. Now, most of us confuses between habits and reflexes. Pure example of reflexes are things like eye blink. When something comes close to your eye and you don't want it to enter into your eye, you will blink. Or when you touch a hot object, you will reflexively remove your hand. So those are pure example of hardwired reflexes. Now, habits are things that our nervous system learned, but not always consciously, because sometimes we develop habits that we even don't realize until they become a problem or they serve us well. Who knows? But the fact of the matter here is that habits forms a major part of who we are. What we do habitually forms much of what we do eventually. In fact, it is estimated that 70% of our waking behavior is made up of habitual behaviors. Now, if habits are highly learned, consciously or unconsciously, then I want us to ask ourselves, what is learning? Well, in the lens of neuroscience and biology, learning is neuroplasticity. Neuroplasticity is simply a process by which our nervous system changes in response to experience. Those changes are what we call neurons, and neurons are cells found in the nerve cells. I will repeat. Neuroplasticity is a process by which our nervous system changes in response to experience. And those changes are what we call neurons, and neurons are cells found in the nerve cells. So those neurons communicate to one another by use of electricity and by sending chemical signals to one another. So sending of these chemical signals is what inspires next neuron to be either electrically active or not. I will repeat at some point also. Those neurons that are found in the nerve cells communicate to one another by use of electricity and by sending chemical signals to one another. So sending of these chemical signals is what determines either or what inspires the next neuron to be electrically active or not. Now, at the end of the day, neuroplasticity is a process by which our nervous system forms nervous circuit pathways through which certain habits are likely to occur or less likely to occur. Now, we got habits. We got how habits are learned. We got that learning involves neuroplasticity, and neuroplasticity involves connection between the neurons. So that's how habits are developed in the lens of neuroscience and biology. Let's meet in the next episode where we'll talk about how habits are formed in the lens of psychological literature and popular books most of you have already read. Yeah.